Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today we are going to work with parallel and perpendicular lines, part 1. Objectives. At the end of this video, students will be able to recognize the difference among the notation of lines, recognize the collinear points. Materials. You need to prepare pencil, a draft paper, your Math Practice Book Edition 2019 and your Enjoy Mathematics Textbook Edition 2016. Vocabulary lines. First, let's start an activity that expresses the first type of straight line. How many straight lines can be drawn through a given point A? Let's see together how many straight lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and many other straight lines. So how many straight lines? The answer will be infinite number of lines can be drawn through a given point A. Another activity. How many straight lines can be drawn through 2 points A and B, given point A and point B? How many straight lines? Let's see. 1. The second straight line becomes above the first straight line. So the answer will be 1 and only 1 straight line can be drawn through 2 points. Now, let's explain and describe lines. A straight line is a line that has no beginning and no ending. It goes forever in both directions. A straight line can be named in 2 ways. The first way, by any 2 of its points using parentheses. Take 2 points on this straight line, for example, point A, point B, so its name will be AB, and put them inside parentheses. This is the parentheses. Or BF, this is point B, this is point F, and put it inside parentheses. The second way, by a single letter, D inside parentheses. Please pay attention here, not by a single point, by a single letter, any letter from the alphabets, and put it inside 2 parentheses. Now it's your turn to practice. Please pause the video and try to solve the application. Consider the figure at right. Give another name for line S. Solution. Straight line FE. This is straight line FE. Straight line EN and straight line FN. Now, what is a semiline? A semiline is the part of a line. Semiline is a part of a line. It has a beginning, but it does not have an end. Its beginning is called the origin. Point A here is the origin. To name a semiline, we start from the origin. So a semiline is a part of a line. It is named by 2 of its points, where one of them is called the origin. This is the origin A. Its notation is semiline AC. To write the notation of a semiline, we start naming it from the origin. Here the origin is A. From the origin, we put a bracket, and from the other side, we put a parenthesis. Please pause the video and try to solve the application. Name two different semilines of origin E. Solution: semiline EN, semiline EF. Name a semiline of origin F. Semiline FE or semiline FN. Don't forget to put the bracket from the origin side and parentheses from the other side. What is a segment? A segment is the red part of line D. So a segment is a part of straight line. It has a beginning and an ending. It has a beginning and an ending, two boundaries, two extremities. Its notation is segment AB. We take the name of these 2 points and put them inside brackets. So this is the notation of segment AB. It has a limited length. Segment AB has a length 5 centimeter, or AB equal 5 centimeter. The length from A to B is 5 centimeter. Application: it's your turn to practice. Please pause the video and try to solve the application. Consider the figure at right. Name 3 segments. Solution: segment NE, segment EF, segment NF, and don't forget to put the bracket for the notation of a segment. After explaining the different types of straight lines, now we'll start with the activity that expresses the notation, name, and description of collinear points. Given the following points and straight line D and also another line H, the question is, which points belong to straight line D? The answer: point A, B, and C. What is a collinear point? 3 points are collinear if they belong to the same straight line. A, B, and C are collinear. A, B, and C are collinear because they belong to the same straight line. A, M, and C are not collinear. Let's see. A, M, and C. Yes, because M is outside the straight line A, C. It's your turn now. Please pause the video and try to solve the application. Consider the figure at right. Name 3 collinear points: A, B, and F, or D, B, and E. Are F, B, and E collinear? F, B, and E? No. Excellent. Name 3 non-collinear points: D, C, A, or A, B, D. Excellent. Assignment: review page 39, only the first 2 rows, line and semi-line from the textbook. Homework: solve exercise 1, page 13 from math practice book, and exercise 8, page 45 from textbook. Summary: parallel and perpendicular lines. Vocabulary: straight line, name by 2 of its points or by a single letter. Line AB, line D. Semi-line, a part of a line. It is named by 2 points where one of them is called the origin. Semi-line CD with origin C. Segment, A part of a line has a beginning and ending. It is named by 2 points. Segment MN. Collinear points. 3 points belong to the same straight line. Thank you for watching my video.